How to fix laptop keyboard not working on your Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. There are a number of reasons why which your laptop keyboard must not be working. So some of the fixes could be using the online keyboard. So if you want an on-screen keyboard, for that you have to press in the Windows key plus CTRL plus O. Once you do so, you will see a on-screen keyboard that can be manipulated and used as per your convenience. This is the step 1 that you can try. Moving on to the second solution. For this, go to Settings. Once you have visited the settings, choose on Accessibility and then on Keyboard. Once you do so, you will see a list of options. From the very first, you can see Filter keys. Make sure to turn it on. Once that is done, again click on the arrow and then turn off these two options. The first one is beep when keys are pressed or accepted, and the next one is show the filter keys icon on the taskbar. Once you have turned both of this, you can now try to access the keyboard, and this should probably fix the issue. However, if it does not, let's move on to the second solution. Sometimes the issue could be caused because of the drivers. In order to update the driver, you just have to open the device manager. Once that is done, go to Keyboard. Click on the drop-down menu, select on the driver, right-click on it and update the driver. You can even search for updated drivers on Windows Update. After this, you can restart the device and check if the issue is fixed. However, if it has not, let's try uninstalling and reinstalling the keyboard driver. You do not have to worry, as once you have uninstalled the device, the computer will reinstall it itself. If it does not, you can click on Action and scan for hardware changes. This will detect any change and reinstall the hardware or device driver. So these are the solutions that you can try on. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.